Something's wrong with my turn signal. It's blinking really fast. If it's not working right, the popo's gonna get me. Let's fix it. We have a taillight out, I believe. Let's find out. There's 2 bulbs in there. One here and one here. So let's find out. So the indicator is going to be blinking right there. This is the right indicator. Looks like a regular blink to me. This is the left indicator. See how it's blinking really fast? So I'm going to leave that on. We're going to check. So the front is blinking at a regular rate. Check the back. Blinking at a regular rate, but only this one. This one's not blinking. And to show you the right one, see, they're both blinking regular rate. So we have a blown lens. And I just happen to have the one that it says I need, which is 3157 standard bulb. I don't have LEDs in this truck. I'm sure that these would cost a lot. So let's change that out. Unfortunately, that chuck is not the right size to take off these bolts. So I'm gonna go get my socket. Let's see what size this is. See if it's metric. It's probably metric. 8mm. Oops. It is 8mm. Okay. Something that's stuck on at the bottom. I don't see another screw though. Oh, it's just a push in. Now we got to get that out of there. Let me get a screwdriver. We got to undo that tab right there. Tab right there. I think all of us have one of these. You can go to any home supply store and find one of these for less than $5. Unfortunately, I bought this one before I checked to see if somebody had stolen the bit off the end, so all I have is the big one. But it'll work. Let me show you what that looks like. I was way overthinking it. So there's the socket, and it's just a quarter turn, and the whole thing pops right out like that. And that's the bulb. Let's just push in. With my fingerprints off of it. And then you pop it back in, quarter turn. Just like that. And it's back like it was. Let's make sure the turn signal works. Look at that. Blinking. Back to normal on the indicator. It's not blinking fast anymore. So that's the big giveaway. So it doesn't involve going to the dealership just to replace the bulb. I know all of you that are watching this are probably going, well, duh. But not all new vehicles do that. I'm glad this one does. Good as new, except for this. I just noticed something else. That's condensation in there. That's warranty. I'm gonna have to take that in. That's not supposed to happen. I'm gonna be taking that back to the Ford dealership. That's not supposed to happen. Working taillight. Man stuff. Oh. So I should probably clarify. So these are non-LED. Sylvania Long Life 3157. And on the actual bulb it says 3157X. I don't know if you can see that or not. There it is. That just means extended life, 3157X, 12 volt. And they're pushing. They're relatively inexpensive. I think for these two bulbs, and this is a spare for the next time. I think I paid $4 total. I say $4 like it's cheap. I remember buying those kind of bulbs for my Mustang back in the day and they're $1. Man, I sound old. I am. Put away my toys. Eight millimeter. That's the M&M socket. Like and subscribe. Check out one of my other videos below.